Hello everybody! So with the recent big news on the SpaceX launch, I got really curious and went to do some quick research on it.
And this random question just popped into my head. If you go to Mars on SpaceX, what is the one beauty product that you must bring?
So before I review my product, let me share some quick info on SpaceX. So what the hell is SpaceX? It's a rocket. Oh, what the heck, and what's the hype? SpaceX is founded by serial entrepreneur Elon Musk. No idea who he is? Think Tesla. In a nutshell, Elon is a serial entrepreneur with degrees in physics and business. And now he's launching rockets because, well, he's decided to. I know, cool right? I wish I could do this. And I'll be in Hawaii. So why is SpaceX special? Because Elon managed to create a rocket 3 times cheaper than NASA. So what are Elon's ultimate goal? According to Time.com, he wants to send people to Mars, which brings me to my next question. Why would we need to go to Mars? Is it because his name sort of rhymes with the planet? Deep thoughts. Maybe he secretly wants to send his haters there? When asked if he would actually go there himself, he says he would have to forgo. Why? Because of his 5 sons and multiple companies. Okay, this is a legit reason. He should definitely stay on Earth. So if I get to go to Mars, which I have no perfect reason to, because hello, no one I like is there, I would bring this one beauty product. Drumroll please. Lipstick! Which one in particular? This one from Fenty. The Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Lip Paint Color Uncensored. I didn't realize this lippy would be so good until my dear client turned friend gave it to me for Christmas. So Simin, if you're watching this, thank you so much! Let me show you how I put it on. It's ultra pigmented, that's why I don't slap it on like that. I use my fingers to clean up any excess that has overlined out of my lips. Then I slowly blend it down towards where the areas are aligned with my finger. As you can see, just before I put it on, I remove some of the products by scraping it off the top of the lid. It is so rich and red that I do not need to touch up at all. And it lasts really quite well, which means that I did not end up eating up most of it. Be careful, make sure to check your teeth after you put on red lipstick. I once put this on for hours at a corporate work event, and after a few hours, it pretty much looked intact just like when I first applied it. It doesn't dry out my lips, feel sticky or tight. Ultra movable with my lips when I had to talk and eat. That's what I mean. No bleeding or crumbling either after it dries. And if you're wondering if this is transfer proof, this is how it looks like. That's assuming if you put it the way that I did just now. Not too bad for an ultra pigmented color like this. I also love how sophisticated this red makes me feel. Yes, feel. On top of looking chic, I feel like a rich bitch. Now I will go eat something and I will be back to show you how intact it will still be. Alright, so I've just eaten a bowl of fish soup and rice and this is how it looks. Not too bad for just one thin layer of coat. If you want a more intense and longer lasting finish, you can layer it after it dries. So well, this is my honest opinion, and there are definitely lots of great lip colors out there. But hey, the title says one beauty product to Mars, right? So if you have enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fun beauty content. Well, if you are more of an Instagrammer, you can look for my page here.
I'll see you for the next fun topic.